Hi, this is Donna Petrarca.
And Chief Denney.
And you will probably always remember this video because it's the very first time that we used a selfie stick to tape anything. We're a little new at this taping thing. Actually, speaking of taping, we wanted to share with you a very exciting project we've been working on that we know you're going to love because we actually based this project on your questions.
You've had, there's been so many questions. A lot of you have attended real estate seminars and spent tens of thousands of dollars. And there's, a lot of people frustrated. Maybe you're having some success, and for many people, no success at all. And we realize that, COVID's been an odd year for many people. So what we've decided to do is really just kind of create free educational videos. No, there's no gimmick or anything. And just really walk people through transactions from A to Z. COVID's been a little interesting because both of my kids, are just not happy with their college experience. So what we've decided to do is take a gap year and teach them how to invest in real estate and walk them through real deals, real situations, the success and also all the frustration.
The good, the bad, and the ugly, basically.
There's plenty of that.
As you all know.
So I just think it's, if you find yourself, or maybe you have kids like I do that are in college and they're frustrated, or maybe you're looking at retirement and just genuinely a little concerned about it. It might be a great journey for you to join us as we walk through 2021, starting the New Year's off right, and just focused on what really happens in the real estate world and sharing with you from our household to your household, the things that can help you become truly successful at real estate.
Yes, and we're actually going to, as we're teaching the children all of the steps that are necessary to flip a home from the very beginning of finding a home to the actual finish of selling the home, we're going to video it every step of the way. So what we're asking you to do today, if you would like to join us in our journey, is to go to our YouTube channel, which you can see the link below, and subscribe. So when it does come out, you will be part of it. In the meantime, we have 60 videos on there, 40 videos, something like that, of all different types of questions you guys have asked us to answer.
And I like, of course, as all videos, always make sure you like the video. It helps us out apparently in some way, shape, or form. And, it's one of those situations where, share it with other people. If your kids have friends that are maybe questioning college, you have friends that are considering retirement and looking for a different vehicle, different means, or maybe you own real estate and you're just frustrated because things aren't going quite well.
My daughter switched her majors twice. I can't even tell you the expense that goes with that. It's nice to, I can't even tell you the expense, but it's nice to have something that they're actually excited about doing, and they can actually, at the end, see themselves making money and not owing all those student loans instead, and not having a job. In this climate right now, even graduating and trying to get a job is virtually impossible.
So difficult.
Yeah, it's so crazy. It's just crazy times. We also want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope 2021 is your best year ever.
Wishing you the best. Look forward to having you join us with this journey.